guys, these are mag shims from FastCap. And this is pretty cool. I open it up right there, there's a blade in there. So social media is a pretty cool thing sometimes. We have been selling this for a long time, and we saw a bunch of videos from you guys, our customers, going on Instagram and posting how they were using our mag shims as scribes. So these are meant to be for setting stuff like table saw blade height, and you can flip it over. Each red piece is an 1/8 inch, and then the metal pieces are a 1/16 of an inch. And you can also use it for, bandsaw offsets and stuff like that. But now, with this yellow one in the middle, which is an 1/8 inch plus, it's 0.15 inches to accommodate the blade stows away nicely. But if you want to use it to set scribe depths, you can just take that blade out. Easiest way to do it, by the way, the magnets are stronger in the red ones than in the yellow one. So if you just stick your red one onto the blade and pull, it'll come right off. And you can stick it out one of 2 different directions with different lengths of protrusion, depending on which direction you do it. And then when you're done, that blade just stores right back away in the middle, and you can go back to using them as mag shims. This blade, as most of our FastCap blades are, it's black coated for rust resistance, and the edge is actually laser sharpened, which hardens it too. So it's a great little blade. So mag shims are going to come with 7 of the 1/8 inch red shims, 1 of the 0.15 inch yellow shims, 2 of the metal plates, and 1 blade in there. And then the first 2,000 customers are actually going to get 1 extra of the red 1/8 inch shims. Get yours today, FastCap.com. Keep posting your awesome videos of how you're using our stuff on social media, because we listen to you and we make things better. Thank you.